Let's open a mystery bag of 5 items for girls from My Rocking Kids. But first, let me show you how to find it, because I didn't find it under any of the categories on the website and literally had to type in mystery into the search box to get those boxes shown to me. You will see that there's other bags as well for men, women and boys available, and they go from 1 year to 13 years. I picked up 1 to 2 years for my girls, then added it to the basket, and for $24.99 it arrived today, in like a normal shipping bag. There should be 5 items inside, so let's have a look. Let's have a look what we got for the price in this mystery bag. You can already see there's a Toy Story mini something inside, t-shirts probably. Let's quickly open them up and have a closer look. So this is like a Woody from Toy Story. It says and beyond, so I'm guessing there was to infinity to go with it. It's cute pink t-shirt with a cowboy hat. Lovely. Oh yes, so it's a part of a set. This one costs $9.99 on the website at the moment, and it goes together with the to infinity top that you can buy for yourself as a mom. Nice one. Not too bad with the first item. Oh, I love this one. This is beautiful color. Absolutely feral, it says on it. I know, just a girl who would love that. Yeah, so it's burgundy color with white writing on it. I found this one on the website for $16.99. The color on the website is generated by AI, so it's a little bit different. It's, I would say, better in real life, really. Another win for me. Cute. Let's keep going. Oh, another sweatshirt. This one is saying sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. Would be great for the other girl. So this one is a pink one with black writing into different fonts. Brand new with tags. This one is $16.99 as well on the website. And very cute. Moving on to the next top. What do we have there? This one looks Christmassy. There's Santa, some bows, Rudolph presents. This one is navy t-shirt with the Christmas print. And the last but not least is the mini top with Minnie Mouse. Quite cute. White t-shirt with a print. Now I couldn't find those 2 last t-shirts on the website, but I'm gonna assume they cost $9.99 as well, which gives us a total of $63.95 for all of those 5 items, if paid full price. So I guess it's good value for $24.99 plus shipping. I know my girls would definitely wear those, so it was a win for us. Let me know what you think. Would you buy it? And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, where I have much more unboxings on a weekly basis. Thanks a lot for all your support. Until the next one, bye!